now. It's okay. There's a bird in our house. It's not the same bird.
No, but it's a bird.
Red Robin.
It's just flying. Oh!
Oh, yeah.
Dude, you can't get out that way.
It looks like
Open
you
the.
can't see.
Oh, it is open. I think we're gonna have to sort of direct it back out to the porch.
It's fine.
Keep going, keep going. No. Oh, no, 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 no. You're gonna hurt yourself.
Here, maybe I can open this.
Oh!
Oh.
Oh, that's not good. Is it hurt?
It's, oh, okay. It's
Come on, go
not
out the
good.
door.
No.
Where it go?
He's gonna get himself hurt. Where is it? Did he go in our rooms?
Was it on the porch?
Yes.
I wonder if it was looking for the baby bird.
Maybe. Mr. Birdie.
Yeah. Is it in your rooms? This just got real crazy.
Mom, there's two of them. That might be the mom and the
And
dad
then
looking for the baby.
One flew
There's
out.
2 birds in the house.
No,
Yeah,
one flew
and
out,
they
and then the
look
other
just
one
like
went
the
in.
Where's the other one?
We don't know.
We don't know. Oh, the other one?
Where's the bird that was just flying around in here?
I don't know.
Find him. He just flew here. Did he fly out?
I don't think so.
The
Did
other
he fly
bird
out
that
to the
was
porch?
the other bird that was on the porch flew out.
No, the one that was in the house. Where is it? It flew in here.
In the house? Yeah, it flew in there, I think.
We'll go look around for it.
Uh-oh. This is bad.
Well, we have to hurry up. It's almost school time.
Yeah, because you got to go to school. I was about to take a shower, and the kids are like, there's a bird in here.
What, Mom?
The baby bird is still in here.
Yeah. And it looks a lot more better with
Yeah,
his wing.
it looks a lot better. It's just got that leg.
Yeah. I think its leg is broken. Do you
Mhm.
think? 'Cause it would be
Okay, well, we got
probably-
to find the bird, guys.
Where'd that bird
We
go?
can't have pet birds.
Did it fly out, you think?
No, it didn't.
We can't find
It didn't go out of here because I just opened this.
Yeah.
Well, we got to find it. It's got to be around here somewhere.
You saw
Check your rooms.
Yeah, let's check our rooms, Ayden.
It's a wild goose.
Go out. Oh, you're almost there. You're almost there. Oh, we have to open that a little bit more. It doesn't, the thing is in there. Come on, come on. No. Whoa. Oh, it's up there. It's up on the shelf. Hopping around on the shelf. Up there.
Oh!
See it? Right there. Okay, Birdie, you can't live there.
It's like, this is a nice, it's so safe here.
Emmy, oh, thank you.
Ah!
Honey.
Oh, that didn't work.
No, it didn't.
Where did it go?
It's up there still. I need something long that I can sort of get it out of there. Oh no, it's in Ayden's room!
Oh, you
Oh my god! Oh my gosh, you need to go back out, dude!
No, please don't!
Come on, Birdie.
Alright guys, we gotta figure out how to... Go get the broom! Go get me the broom! Oh, it's in the closet!
Where did he go? Oh, he's in
Ayden, go get the broom! This thing's gonna die of a heart attack. Where is it? Oh! Don't go in Emmy's room, no! It's in Emmy's room now.
Come on, Birdie.
Turn the light on. Oh! There we go, there we go, there we go. Come on. Let me see. Shut your light off and shut your door.
Where'd he
No!
go?
Shut the door, shut the door! Oh!
He's in there.
He's up on her thing.
There we go.
Come
Get
on.
him
No,
out.
no, no. This way. Where are you?
We'll have to save another birdie if it gets hurt.
Oh, let's just hope it doesn't get hurt. Come on.
Yeah.
Come on.
that'd be good.
Come on. Out the door. Out the door. Out the
It
door.
likes that spot a lot because it's
Because
nice
it's
and
up
cozy.
high and it can perch. There. Okay. Now you need to open that door so he can get out. This is crazy. This is crazy. Guys, I don't care so much if it's on the porch. It'll get off. Just prop that door open.
Okay.
come get dressed, Em.
That bird's probably like,
Well, that was an adventure. Wasn't expecting. Well, good morning. That was eventful. So today I'm actually going to see 2 properties, and I'm excited about it. I have learned though that pictures are not worth 1,000 words when it comes to finding a farm, and although it may look great online, not so much in person. So we're gonna see how that goes. I hope something pans out, but if not, we'll keep looking. So let's go see. Alright, guys, so as I thought, neither of those houses would work out. The first house was in really bad shape. Holes in the floor, under the carpet, holes in the ceiling, like stuff missing. It was really, really bad shape, which is really a disappointment because, like I said, the pictures made it look good, but no, it was terrible. Way too much work. Plus, I don't even think it would pass for like any kind of loan. They really should fix that up. Second house was a nice house, just way too small for our family. It was itty bitty, and so that one won't work either. It was just too small. Would work for my daughter who was holding the camera. Thank you, Stephanie. That second house would be nice. She's only a family of 3, so who knows? Maybe that would work out for her. But for us, not so much. So now Friday we have a new house to go look at that has been redone. Has almost 2 acres of land. Already has a chicken coop and a place for goats, which is awesome. It's secluded, which I like. The second house too, the other problem is that literally it was next to the turnpike. Literally next to, like, you're in the yard and there's trucks and cars whizzing by. That's all you saw. So that wasn't good either. And I wanted someplace secluded. So that's Friday. That house is secluded. We even looked it up on Google Earth, and there's like the closest house is pretty far away. And it, you know, other than the actual land, there's lots of trees. So I'm looking forward to that one. Hopefully that will pan out better. It's a little bit farther away, but that's okay. It's not, you know, a world away. It's only about 45 minutes, something like that. So not too bad. So let's hope that one is better than the 2 I just saw.